Hi, it's Pekka from Logbullet and welcome to my day. I'm at the moment driving with my truck. I have this kind of pretty small actually truck and I'm driving with Megamax to our forest. Megamax is not 100% ready yet. It's still missing windows. Those are not made from the glass, those are actually from plastic. Like nowadays those has to be. And then also boot holder area is still missing. I did drop that today to hot galvanizing, so it will also come there eventually. Yeah, I'm enjoying at the moment from the beauty of the Finnish summer. So everything is green over here and weather is nice, everything is green, and I hope I will have a good day. I have today two-way load. That is actually one reason why I'm driving. Even not like Megamax is 100% ready. So we have been seeing Finland proverb that take when you go and bring when you come back. So first I take Megamax over there to my steel supplier, and then I will bring back bigger components. The cost for actually in Finland the fuel price is pretty high, so I will spend about 200 euros today just in the fuel cost. But bringing those bigger components, last time I had to pay was that 400 or 500 euros for that load. So it was like kind of big deal, because usually when I sell stuff I don't make big profit between. So last time when I actually made tipping body, I made losses because I did order the tipping body, the original Logbullet tipping body, and then I don't make so much material between material and the sales price money, so I did lose money practically with the transportation cost. So this time I did order for the two tipping body steels and also those aluminum loading plates. So all of those expensive components to transport I did order this time, and I will take those with my truck. So I have to just drive few extra kilometers to pick up those, and then I will save some euros, and I can keep reasonable prices. I actually think all the time about cost, because I feel that if I spend too much money, I'm not spending my money, I'm spending my customers' money. So I think I should be like efficient and good what I'm doing, so then I can keep reasonable prices. I can still make profit between, so I can pay salaries and other kind of that kind of cost, and then still like everybody are happy after that. So not wasting money, just making smarter things. These driving days are, in some degree, these are nice. Usually I take items to my workshop with freight. The reason is that if I would be just driving around, I couldn't make any machines and I wouldn't produce anything. So if I would want to be just like full day driver, then I would be just driving truck all the time. But like between welding and assembly days, these are nice. I'm just driving over here, then I have my headphones. I call to people, I talk with them, and like, or listen to radio and enjoy about my time. So sometimes these are nice, not all the time, but like, because it's this is a small truck, but it's anyway a truck. I have also good memories with this truck. When there was COVID, everybody I think have already forgotten that disease, but when there was COVID and all the schools and like kindergartners were down, so I had to take my kids to my workshop, or I was happy to take them. We did spend great months over there together, and I was also dropping a few machines to my customers, so my boys were sitting over here and we had like great day. It was like looking around and discussing and enjoying about our life, so it's good memories. I do this kind of work. I think big thing is of course the happiness. There she is. I did get her safely down. I was a little worried because it wasn't so simple task, but now she's over here. I will drive her to a safe spot. Now my load area is empty, so I have to drive some distance to the next spot, take steels, and then go back to my workshop. I did also notice that I almost actually did drive off from the street or road. This side is that narrow, and over here there is more space. This my truck, it's not ATV, so it's pretty bad when you go outside from the paved roads. So I'm happy that everything did go fine, and I have to start up, eat something, and go to the next spot. I did visit over here, gas station, and I did eat something. We have in Finland, when you are driving with a truck, I think in every country it's the same thing, that there is limitation how many hours you can drive, and then you need to have a rest. So I had my official rest over here. So now I will start up the truck again, and then I will pick up more components over there, and then I will drive back to my workshop. Now I'm here in my supplier's yard. So this is how I actually get the components. So we are in the spot where I purchased those. So it's my design, and this bent and laser cut this kind of component, and now I just have to strap these and start up my truck and go back to my workshop. Yeah, looking good. My day is almost over. I was actually just having over 1 hour phone discussion again, so that is what I'm doing. I'm driving and talking with the phone. This is the best time, because usually I'm like welding or assembly or doing something like that. I cannot talk. I need my hands, or like, actually I could, when I'm doing the assembly I could talk, but I prefer to make good quality. But while driving I don't have anything else to do, so then I just take my phone and call to people and have discussions. Yeah, but this was my day with my truck. Megamax is where it should be. I am happy for that, and I have also my steels. I will just take my forklift and lift those away. And yeah, I hope you did like the video. If you did like the video, please give a thumb up, and if you haven't yet subscribed to Logbullet's YouTube channel, please press subscribe. So we see you in next video. Thanks a lot, and bye.